It doesn't sound like a Supra, but it sounds like a jet. Hi, my name is Nando. This is a '87 Suzuki Samurai. I have it since 2020, so 5 years with it. I use it as a daily, and on the outside it looks stock, but it's the engine, I have some stuff done to it. This is a fun car, but if you can make a fun car go faster, it will be double the fun. The short block is from a Swift engine, so it is a G13B instead of a G13A, which is the one that comes stock on the Samurai. So it has some difference on the internals. And then I have the stock G13A head on it with a Geo Metro valve cover. It has a Pulsar 4849 turbo with a dual ball bedding and dual V-vent with the T51R Mod. That makes the turbo sounds like a jet. You can hear that on all JDM Supras. Right now I'm running 14 pounds of boost. It sounds good, it sounds awesome. And also on the intake side, I have a D16 Skunk 2 Pro Series intake with a GReddy blow-off valve, and I have like 1200 fuel injector Clinique injectors. I am running a Honda ECU with Honda Bird, and that's why you see the Honda DC on it. So I have a AEM fuel regulator, the oil cash can, full stainless steel exhaust system, and this is an adjustable cam gear, so with this you can play with the timing of the cams. I can move the power band on it by adjusting the cam. On the interior I have Town & Country seats. I also have a radio with Apple CarPlay, and I have the AEM gauges for the air-fuel ratio and the boost controller, and everything around is LEDs. This front grille is from a JA71, the Japanese version of the Samurai, which is a jeepney. It's pretty rare because it only comes in the '87 in Japan, so everything is in stock and it says Suzuki on the fog lights. Basically, that's it.